In this video, I will show you how you can modify username in Linux using the usermod command. We've got a user whose name is Tony, but we want to change the name to a team. So let us say the command will be sudo usermod, because we want to modify the user, -l. Then the new name that we want to give this person is team, and the current name is, I believe it is Tony. Now let us verify that the name has been changed. To do that, we use grep. New name is team, and we are going to check in etc password. Now, as you can see, the name has been changed to team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel? Watch the next video in order to see the next command I'm going to show you. Thank you.